Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Kia Sportage vs Rav4 hybrid full comparison. Follow along as we evaluate engine choice, hybrid efficiency, interior room, safety tech, and ownership costs. I'll share real driving impressions, measured fuel economy, cargo usability, and price differences across trims to help you pick. The goal is a clear, practical recommendation based on commuting, family needs, and long-term value without jargon. We start with performance and efficiency to see how each SUV feels on the road. Expect the RAV4 hybrid to prioritize economy while still offering honest acceleration, and the Sportage to deliver a livelier feel in certain trims. I'll compare MPG estimates, throttle response, and how AWD changes the driving experience. Pay attention to region braking feel, engine noise, and how each SUV performs on highway merges and urban stop and go. Quick recommendation and ad break. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more comparisons. On another note, I picked a handy product to mention: leak-proof containers for meal prep that keep your trunk tidy after grocery runs, and they actually survive a bumpy drive without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals that I mentioned, and now let's get back to the video. Now we look inside to measure practicality and comfort for real-life use. I'll note cargo dimensions, seat support, and how easy it is to fit car seats or carry weekend gear. Expect a discussion of infotainment responsiveness, storage cubbies, and material quality because those small details matter over years. We'll compare visibility, sound isolation, and rear passenger space so you can picture daily routines and longer road trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.